What's going on? It's your boy Byron B-Rut Rutley, aka the little big fella, here at Fountain of Love and Life Church in Saginaw, Michigan. Here getting ready to install the brand new Elgato video capture device and the Sony FX1 camera for their live broadcast and live streaming for their Sunday and mid-week Bible study class. So follow me, come into my world a little bit. We're getting ready to get into the installation. All right, here we go. Log on.
Right here. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm here with Pastor Cobb. You can see him in the background, him and one of the elders. We've been working with this Mac Mini here. So the Mac Mini, we've been looking to install the Elgato video capture on the Mac Mini. However, what's going on is the former pastor of the church has his Apple ID account logged in, so we can't get a hold of him to even log in to install a new OS operating system. In order for us to use the Elgato video capture, we have to install the latest version of the Apple OS operating system, but we can't do it. So something that I spotted over here is a desktop PC. I'm like, yo, what is this computer over here? What are you using this computer for? They like, we don't even know. We don't know what that is. I'm like, wait a minute. I'm checking out this PC. This PC is a monster. They didn't even know they had this back here. This is iBuy Power. IBUI Power. If anybody's familiar with this style of computer, let me know in the comment section what kind of computer, your experience you've had with it. But I'm looking at it, yo, this computer is a monster. So I just got it started up and I'm getting ready to go through the operating system. I believe it's Windows 7, but I'm getting ready to see. Okay, so I got the it's working. The USB mouse is working. Yep. So I'm getting ready to check out the specs on this computer and see what it's looking like. We got Pastor Cobb here.
Hey. Making
some noise up here. Shout out to church, man. Tell them what's going on here.
Well, this is Fountain of Love and Life Church of God on 3401 Hemming Road in Saginaw, Michigan. And I'm happy to have my dear brother Rutley here today, getting us together, getting the media department together with a new video and audio here to make our live stream services crispy and clear, and I'm excited. I'm excited about what's the updating that's going on, and we're just trying to do the work of the Lord and do it with profession and do it with perfection. That is what we're aiming for, and He is here to help us, and He is A1. So if you need somebody, you better contact Rutley. I'm telling you now.
Yes, sir. So we out here, man. We even got Deacon Charles over here. Say what's up to the people, Deacon.
What's up?
Yes, sir.
What's up?
He in the building, so we're gonna get back at you. We're gonna install the software and let you know how everything turned out. All right, peace. So after about 3 hours, we finally got a program called vMix installed on the computer.
vMix.
And yeah, it took us a minute, but we got Pastor ready to go for Sunday.
Yeah.
This is vMix here. You can see the man of God. You can see him and myself looking at the camera here. You can see the audio volume, lower third graphics.
Log on. Right here.